Hello kids, here I am with a new chapter of English Reader, that is chapter 12, Cats Sleep Anywhere. This is a poem written by Eleanor Farjeon. So let's start it. First, all of you read it with me. Okay? Cats sleep anywhere. Any table, any chair. Top of piano, window ledge in the middle, on the edge. Open drawer, empty shoes. Anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box. In the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, there, don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. This poem is about the most important habit of cats, that they sleep anywhere inside the house, on any table, any chair, at the top of piano, at window ledge. So, window ledge means the place just below the window. The cats sleep anywhere, any places, anywhere. They can sleep in open drawer, empty shoes. They can also sleep in anybody's lap. Lap means folded legs. Folded legs posture. So they can sleep on folded legs. They can be fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard with the frocks. So anywhere the cats sleep and they don't care about it. Cats sleep anywhere. इस पोयम में कैट्स के बिहेवियर के बारे में बताया गया है कि वो कहीं भी सो जाती है, जैसे टेबल पर, पियानो के ऊपर, खुला ड्रॉवर, खाली शूज और भी बहुत सारी जगह पर वो सो जाती है. उन्हें किसी की भी परवाह नहीं है. उन्हें जहाँ जगह मिलता है वहीं पर सो जाती है. Okay students, so now the explanation is completed. This is a very simple poem. So I think you all understood this poem. So now let's proceed to the exercise work. Number B. Choose the correct option. Number 1. The poem talks only about places where cats can sleep. Dash. Number A. Inside the house. Number B. Outside the house. Number C. Both inside and outside the house. So, as I told you that cats sleep anywhere inside the house. So, the answer is inside the house. Next, number 2. Why do cats sleep anywhere? Number A. They aren't given proper beds to sleep on. Number B. They don't care about sleeping in a fixed place. Number C. They go to sleep whenever they are told to. Your answer is they don't care about sleeping in a fixed place. Next, number 3. What do you think the poem means by in the middle, on the edge? Number A. Cats sleep in the middle or the edge of the window ledge. B number. Cats sleep in the middle or the edge of the bed. Number C. Cats sleep in usual and unusual places. Your answer is number C. Cats sleep in usual and unusual places. So now this question is completed. Students, this chapter is a poem. So in this chapter you have to not do question answers. Next number D. Name the musical instruments. So here you have to write the name of these things. These things are called musical instrument. Students, what is this? This is a piano. Right here, piano. Next is drum. Write drums under or at side of it. Next is guitar. Right here, guitar. Next is flute. Right here, flute. Now last, violin. Right here, violin. Now this question is completed. Come to next question. Number E. Cats can sleep anywhere, but most animals have special homes. Rearrange the letters to fill in the blanks with the names of places where these animals sleep to get the following animals' house name. Number 1. A lion sleep in a dash. A lion sleep in a den. Right here, den. Number 2. A dog sleeps in a dash. Dog sleeps in a kennel. Number 3. A bird sleeps in a nest. Number 4. A cow sleeps in a dash. A cow sleeps in a shed. Number 5. A horse sleeps in a dash. A horse sleeps in a stable. Number 6. A hen sleeps in a dash. A hen sleeps in a coop. Number 7. A rabbit sleeps in a burrow. Number 8. A bee sleeps in a dash. Here bee means honeybee. So where does it sleeps? It sleeps in hive. Write it. Now this question is completed. Come to another question. Number F. Cross out the word that doesn't rhyme in each group. Here you have to cross the word which does not rhyme with other words. In other word, we can say that we have to find odd one out. Students, this is your homework. Do complete in your book. All exercise complete in your book. Thank you.